Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture the source of all your bookings in Cow.com so that you can ultimately track where your leads and customers are coming from. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in the browser. Then when they complete a booking form on your website, Attributor passes through information about where they came from, and it is captured by your scheduling tool and can be sent to your CRM and other places. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google Ads, which of your campaigns generated the most new customers, or how much revenue you got from each ad you're running. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you are using, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section of your website, and paste it in. Now go to the event type that you want Attributor to work with and navigate to the booking questions section of the settings. You then need to add a series of hidden fields to your booking form with specific labels and identifiers. You can see the exact details you need to enter in the help article on the Attributor website. Once that's completed, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by Cow.com. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.